How to enable Grammarly extension in Google Chrome. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to enable Grammarly extension in Google Chrome. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's search for Google right here and search for Chrome Web Store. So once you search for that, click on the first link that you can see right here. And from in there you can see the search bar, so just click on the search bar right there and type in Grammarly. So once you type in that, this will load for a while and look for the thing that you have searched. So let's enable this Grammarly right here. So as you can see, I have already added it, so you can just remove it if you have added it previously. But after that, you can also add this to Chrome again in order to add it. Then click on Add Extension, and that should restore your progress in Grammarly extension. So this will download right here in the bottom, so you can just wait for it. And then after that, it will install on your Chrome. On this extension list right here, as you can see, Grammarly has been restored and installed. So you can now click on Next right here. Click on Next and continue to Grammarly, and you can now log into your Grammarly account in order to utilize this extension on your Google Chrome. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add Grammarly extension in Google Chrome. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!